In this Orange Mail review, I'm going to be showing you how you can send unlimited emails to unlimited leads with one cloud-based software and never pay monthly fees again. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Orange Mail, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, stop paying hundreds of dollars to money-sucking autoresponders and never deliver. Send unlimited emails to unlimited leads with the most advanced email platform and get 300% more opening and clicks without paying any monthly fees ever. You don't need a domain. You don't need hosting. You don't need to install anything. There's no restrictions on the emails that you import. You have 100% control of your business. So essentially, this is an autoresponder where, again, you don't have to worry about putting in your own like SMTP or anything. They do everything for you in this and have it all done for you so that you can go in there and hit the ground running with your email marketing campaign. It says just go in there, upload your leads, or you can have people go and generate from the different web forms, select from high converting email templates in various niches, and then click send, or you can schedule your emails out as well. Now, they show some people that have made money with email marketing. I think by now we all know that email marketing is very successful. This is something they claim that they've been doing this marketing using their autoresponder, so that they've actually made this money with the Orange Mail platform. Again, I can't verify that, but I mean, it's an email marketing software. Don't buy it based upon income screenshots. Buy it because you need an email autoresponder and you don't want to pay a monthly fee for it. Now, again, they've got more screenshots here of income, but that's fine and all. We see that all the time. Now, these testimonials here, I don't necessarily believe them. These don't look that legitimate. Maria Ralph, Justin M, Sam Phillips. I don't know why people put these fake testimonials on their pages. Maybe they're real. I don't know, but it doesn't need it. It's a software. It does email marketing. Okay, here's some open rates that they have. This is interesting. This is what I like to see. So they're showing here that they sent 4,000 emails, then open rate of 40%, a click rate of 20%. That's good. Another one, they sent 545, got 35% opens and clicks. That's good. Another one here, 3,000 sent, open rate of 17%. That's a good open rate. Like, these are decent open rates here, and they're making money. That's fine as well. But it's nice to see that they actually are using their own software to do their email marketing. So they show some other softwares that they compare this with. Like, if you're going to use something like GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp, you will need to pay monthly fees to those softwares. These ones have it all for a one-time price. Okay, so it does integrate with other SMTPs as well. So if you want to use Amazon SES or Moosend or Sendinblue or SendGrid, you can use it with those different platforms there. So again, so that's the front end offer. It's got a bunch of bonuses. If you purchase, you get access to all these different things. Now, what I want you to do when you come to the sales page is move your mouse away. You get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always show you these discounts. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I do that and you want me to do it in the future. Okay, what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Stop me if this sounds familiar. You wrote a perfect email for your subscribers. Subject line on point, amazing content and research included, catchy call to action sprinkled in, and mwah! It's a masterpiece. You just need to hit the send button and imagine results like these. The only problem is you get super low opening rates because Gmail and Outlook is filtering your messages to spam. You take a shift, get a new autoresponder, crossing your fingers, just waiting for your money-making email campaign. Well, that just doesn't happen how you imagine it to be. You can spend all your time in finding a new autoresponder, not getting your uploaded lists approved, or worse, getting locked out of your account because your email autoresponder doesn't find you legit. Your campaigns die, your dreams fade, and you're nowhere close to the results you want when you want them, which is now. That's where most entrepreneurial dreams bite the dust. Things that were supposed to be so easy and should take a few minutes are taking hours with little or no success. If you've ever been in this situation and wanted to have high open and click rates, get more traffic and sales, and have total control over your email marketing, then you want to stick around for the next 5 minutes with us. Introducing OrangeMail, a complete and super smart cloud-based email marketing software that empowers you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for massively high open and click rates, all for just a one-time price. And unlike your previous autoresponder, no fear of getting banned, no limits on campaigns you send, and most of all, not costing you an arm and a leg. Imagine results like these that we're getting for the last 6 months by reverse engineering the latest email marketing algorithms and beating the email service providers at their own game. See the opening rates from 30% to 72% from a simple email sent from our system in just a few clicks and less than 3 minutes. So it's time to dump all email marketing platforms that you've been using in the past that charge you hefty monthly amounts and continuously fail to deliver. Email marketing is still a workhorse for digital marketing initiatives and most engaging channel on desktop and mobile phones, while other channels are constantly changing and not reliable. Email surprisingly continues to see great results in the online marketing world since your emails reach customers directly. And with OrangeMail, there's no need to concern yourself with ever-changing algorithms in order to be seen. Start getting massively high open and click rates with our super smart email sending algorithm, advanced auto segmentation, spam score checker inbuilt in just 2 simple steps. 1. Just log into your OrangeMail account, go to Send the Newsletter, enter the subject with personalization tags, select your sending server. 2. Select from 100 proven to convert email templates and choose from our library of over 40,000 high converting DFY email swipes, customize it according to your campaign, and hit send. 3. And voila, you're done. Just sit back and relax while OrangeMail sends the profit-pulling campaigns for you. Easy, isn't it? Let me share some amazing and unique features that make OrangeMail the most advanced email autoresponder out there. Number 1, upload unlimited leads and subscribers without getting in review or restrictions. Don't lose those hard-earned leads with double opt-in or waiting for ages for approval. Either add leads one by one or import using a file. Number 2, 100 beautiful and proven to convert templates. You get instant access to high-converting email templates that we've been using for our campaigns to get amazing results, and you can simply swipe them. Number 3, high inbox delivery. We've included email structuring systems such as header meta, header unsubscribe links, super clean HTML with inline CSS beyond industry standards to ensure the maximum delivery and openings. Number 4, advanced segmentation. Segment your list based on who clicked, opened, non-opens, clicked, or opened more than twice. A unique feature that can boost your results by 50% instantly. Number 5, inline and templates editor. Create simple inline emails or responsive HTML emails in a few minutes. Number 6, web forms and advanced autoresponder. Just choose from proven to convert and embed on your landing pages, lead generation pages, or anywhere and start collecting leads right inside your OrangeMail dashboard. And not just that, you can set up automated email sequence according to the date or stage when someone subscribes. Number 7, spam score checker. Just enter the content inside the editor, and in a single click, it'll show you the keywords that may make your email spam. A perfect solution to optimize your content for max results. Number 8, emoji integration. Add emoji to special characters in headline or body to boost the engagement of your emails. Number 9, send media through emails. Simply add media like images, PDF right inside your emails using our super fast CDN. And more amazing features like single opt-in, double opt-in feature, GDPR CAN spam compliant, complete email, regular system updates, unlimited list import-export, step-by-step video training and tutorials. And OrangeMail has been developed on the latest technologies such as Node.js, RabbitMQ, Nginx, and these allow for our website to be fast and efficient. But wait, we're not done here. For a limited time, you're getting the commercial license without any extra cost. So you can start your own email marketing agency and provide email marketing solutions to businesses and local vendors and charge a monthly amount. A surefire way to make up to $10K without even sending a single email for your campaigns. Isn't that awesome? All sounds too good to be true. Where's the catch? Well, there is no catch. This ultimate email marketing solution is available for a one-time price during this special 5-day launch period. After this, it'll get back to its rightful recurring price. The innovative dream tool of every smart entrepreneur is here, and it can be yours at an extremely discounted price right now. Orange Mail is covered with our rock-solid 365-day money-back guarantee, which means if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. So I highly recommend you click the Buy Now button below now or check out the rest of the features and demo of the software on this page. Either way, make sure you take action now before the next price bump. Orange Mail team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area here. This is an affiliate account here. Where they do have some limits on the affiliate account, but so you can kind of see what this looks like. So this is what it looks like when you log in. Now you will have optional upgrades. So the first one here, if you move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount on it. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you those. I really appreciate it. And with this one, you can get some more features with this one. Let's see here. You can create and manage unlimited lists, advanced list cleaning tool, advanced subscriber management, advanced messages and management, multiple SMTPs, detailed reports, and you can add images into your emails. The next one here is you can upgrade your license and have them set up everything for you. And if you move your mouse away on this one, you get a $30 discount, bring that price down to $67. The next one here is done for you to promote faster emailing, one-on-one VIP premium priority support, if I can speak, and then premium training and more. Move your mouse away on this one and get a discount as well. Next one here is, it looks like you can get done for your traffic and sales. Move your mouse away, bring that down to 37. Resale rights, move your mouse away, bring that down to 67. Then you can start selling the software with your own branding on it, and that you can bring that price down to 37. And the last one is a white label license with this, and you can bring that price down to 147. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Orange Mail and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, when you have a software that is one time, it's not going to be as good as something like an Aweber or a ConvertKit or a GetResponse. These companies are charging hundreds of dollars a month. I pay, I think like $150, $200 a month for my email autoresponder, and they have an incentive to keep on making it better and to just make it like more robust. So just know that when you pay one time, you're going to get what you pay for. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a one-time autoresponder, you don't want to pay monthly, you're just getting started with email marketing, and you don't have the budget to pay for monthly fees, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Orange Mail, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.